everyone, I am Yamini, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to discuss about basic of object-oriented programming. C is explain object-oriented programming concepts, C is explain object, C is explain class, polymorphism and then inheritance. These informations are briefly explained by Mendi students.
I'm Varshashri J from 2nd CACC, here to explain the basic concepts of OOPS. So let me start with the definition. Object-oriented programming system is a programming methodology based on objects and classes. It is used to organize programs in a structured and reusable manner. So let me brush up some of the basic concepts of OOPS. So first one is class. A class is a blueprint or template used to create objects. It contains data members and data member functions. Second one is object. An object is an instance of a class. It represents a real-world entity and occupies memory. Third one is encapsulation. Encapsulation is the process of wrapping data and methods together into a single unit. It also restricts direct access to data using access modifiers. The fourth one is abstraction. Abstraction means hiding internal implementation details and showing only essential features to the users. Inheritance. Next one is inheritance. Inheritance is a process by which one class acquires properties and methods of another class. And next one is polymorphism. Polymorphism means many forms. It allows one function or method to perform different tasks. Thank you.
I am Shalini, here to explain the object. An object is an instance of a class in object-oriented programming. It represents a real-world entity that contains both data and behavior. The data of an object is stored in variables called data members, while the behavior is defined using number functions or methods. When an object is created, memory is allocated for the variable defined in the class. Objects are used to access and manipulate the properties and functions of a class. Objects plays an important role in OOPS because they help in representing a real-world concepts in programs. Multiple objects can be created from a single class and each subject can store different values for its data members. Objects communicate with one another through methods, making programs more modular and reusable. They also support important features such as encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. Since objects occupy number and perform specific operation, they make programs easier to design, maintain, and understand. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sri Priyarashni. I'm here to explain about the concept of class. A class is a user-defined blueprint or template used in object-oriented programming to create objects. It is a logical structure that combines data members and member functions into a single unit. The variables store the data of the object while the methods define the actions or behaviors that the object can perform. A class helps in organizing programs, improving code reusability, and supporting important object-oriented concepts such as encapsulation and inheritance. Objects are created based on structure defined in the class, and multiple objects can be created from a single class. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Varshni from 2nd CACC. Here I am going to tell about inheritance. Inheritance is a feature of object-oriented programming in which one class acquires the properties and behaviors, data members and data functions of another class. The class that gives the properties is called the base class, parent class, and the class that receives them is called the derived class, child class. Inheritance helps in code reusability, reducing redundancy, extending existing classes, improving maintainability. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Saran. Today I am going to present a case study about polymorphism. In this video, we will see the problem, the solution, implementation process, and the final outcomes. First, let's go to problem statement. First, let's understand the problem. In the field of polymorphism, many people face difficulties such as polymorphism. Because of this, it creates low performance, time consumption, and poor user experience. Therefore, there was a need for an effective solution and implementation. To solve this problem, polymorphism was introduced. First, the required data was collected and analyzed. Then the system was designed and developed using suitable tools and technologies. The implementation process focused on improving efficiency and making the system user friendly. The outcomes of after implementing the solution, significant improvements were observed. Performance increased, time was reduced, and the overall user experience was better. The project achieved successful results and solved the major issues efficiently. The conclusion from this case study, we can understand how technology can help solve real world problem efficiently. In the future, more advanced features can be added for better performance. Thank you.
My mentee students are explaining case study of object-oriented programming in Java. She is explained concepts, she is explained object, she is explained class, polymorphism, he is explained inheritance. All the students are explained well and good. Thank you.